Okay, that's funny. Hey guys, this is Jay Hughes, Real Money Investors, and also the Oak Key Mastermind. I just want to say hello before we get into this video because we're going to share with you our trading guidelines for our consensus picks. Now remember, we call these consensus picks because we have over probably $1,500 worth of resources right now that's just feeding us information. Now that information can add up to 20 to 30 different opportunities a day that we can take in the stock market. And we distill that down, we filter those and distill it down to 2 to 5 picks a day that we can take advantage of as far as opportunities. So let's just dive right into our trading guidelines now. So guys, here's the member page. This is where you get your daily stock picks and updates. So here's a quick example. This is actually how we structure our picks. So for August 13th, 2020, you actually get this alert on the 12th. So we always give you the alert before the market opens the day before or the night before on this one. So we have 2 picks that we generally like to give, 2 to 3, maybe sometimes 5, but we have a mid-cap pick. We're just using that term loosely. That's any stock that's going to be over $5. And of course, it may not be mid-cap, but it can even be large cap. But either way, it's over $5 a pick. So we have this particular stock at 14. That just means this is where we are looking to get into the trade. Here's a micro cap pick. These are stocks which some people call penny stocks that are under $5. So this can be anywhere from a 30-cent stock up to a $5 stock. So we have this here. So what do you do with this? Again, guys, it depends on what your risk tolerance is, things of that nature. So on this, but we always trade with a stop loss, or we have a target. Now, anytime that I record some of our past trades, and you can go back test this yourself, generally I'm looking for at least a 5% gain. Here it is right here. So if I put T hit, that means that we hit at least the 5% minimum target. That's what that means. So you can see that when we traded on the 3rd, a couple days later, it actually went ahead and hit the target. This simply means that the trade is still open, or it could still be open, because we only update this probably once a week. So we have 2 trades that are still open. Look at all the ones where the targets hit. And this is through the 13th. And I'm sure that these are still open. I don't think that they've been hit yet. So if we're giving you at least 2 to 5 different opportunities a day, how in the hell do you manage a small portfolio? Well, number one, guys, this is not advice, but I like to diversify my portfolio. If I had $2,500 or $250 or even $50, I am not going to put all of my money, all of my capital into one stock. That's never really a good idea, looking for one big hit on this. But if I had let's just say $250, I would probably put I would probably only trade the small cap. That's number one. Secondly, or the micro cap. Secondly, I would probably divide that up amongst 5 different stock picks. And then when the stops are hit, in other words, if I hit my target, or if I hit my stop loss, or if I just decide that this stock is a snoozer, I will just roll it over into another pick that's already open, or the next day's picks. It's just that simple. So whether I have $250, I may divide it up 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. I think I still have another 50 there. Or if I have $2,500, I may divide it up 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. I think you get the drift. $25,000 each pick I may dedicate $5,000 to. That way I am diversified and I can mitigate any losses that are absolutely inevitable. Okay, that makes sense? I hope it does. All right, guys, so that's what we do. That's how we do it. And generally, guys, I'm going to also give you some information on how I set up my trading platform, where I can bracket my trades and just enter my trade and just walk away. I don't have to look at it until the next day if I don't want to. All right, so let's make some real money.